Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to activate a sales funnel in System.io. Activating a funnel allows you to restore a previously deactivated funnel and make it accessible again. To get started, navigate to the Sites tab in the menu and click on Sales Funnels. By default, only active funnels are shown, so you need to change the filter. Click on the drop down menu next to the search bar and select Inactive. Then click on the filter button to display the list of all your inactive funnels. Locate the specific funnel you want to reactivate. Once you find it, click on the three dots located on the right side of that funnel's row. From the menu options that appear, click on Activate. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the action. Simply click the confirm button. You will see a notification message at the top of the screen confirming that the funnel has been successfully activated. And there you go. This is how you activated funnel using System.io. If you want System.io free plan, the link is in the description. And if you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.